Happy New Year, guys. Welcoming 2022. We are here to react people, and if you are new to our channel watching our reaction today, please stay connected till the end, okay? And we would love to hear from you guys as well. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that red icon and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified with all our new reaction videos. Talk about the reaction that we are going to work on today. So we are talking about Thara Bhai Joginder. He has just released his new diss track. I'm sure you must have already listened to the track and watched the video as well, right? He's been quite famous on YouTube. This is the first time, guys, we are reacting on this track, okay? And the title of the track is Bhukamp, people. I think this is going to be very interesting one, okay? Reacting for the first time, by the way, people. Hope you like our reactions. Yeah,
show some love, guys. First time, pehli baar, guys. So all the Joginder fans or people who are watching this, if you like what we are doing, do subscribe. And a happy new year again. And I think Joginder is in the news from a long time, like what she told, and we know that there is a lot of beef happening between He Triggered Insan, Carrie Minati, and Fukra Insan, and also I think there were a lot of diss track against Joginder that came from a lot of other YouTubers. So I remember Dhiru Monchik coming up with one, and there are a lot of many YouTubers who are coming up with that diss track. But keeping everything aside, we will just react to what he has done in this song. So without talking much, guys, let's head into the reaction. Thara Bhai Joginder, come on, let's see.
अबे हमने तो तुझे चूहा समझा था,
Okay.
तू तो शेर निकला।
Wow.
Oh my God! पापा जी छोड़ दो!
Oh God, who is that?
ये हालत करूंगा तुम लोगों की।
Okay.
घर में घुस के मारूंगा एक को। थारा भाई जोगिंदर इज बैक। इसे कहते हैं भूकंप।
Come on.
कैरी मिनाटी हंस मेरी बाल।
Okay,
ऐसा
that's
करूंगा
Carrie
तेरा हाल। बंदर कहेगा मेरी लाल और तू कहेगा मेरी लाल। सुन मेरी बात ओ मेरे लाल, तन से उधेड़ूंगा तेरी खाल। मार के करूं बुरा हाल, बदल के रख दूंगा तेरी चाल। तन तक कहे मुझे बंदा कमाल,
Not bad, man.
बुरा हाल। गाना बनाया पवन रे भूचाल, यूट्यूब इंडस्ट्री में लाया बवाल। मेरे आगे तुम्हारी क्या औकात, देश की जनता मेरे साथ। मेरे गाने जवाब तुम पूछो सवाल, ऐसी बजाता रहूंगा धमाल। ये जितने भी यूट्यूबर मेरी माँ बहन को गाली दे रहे हैं, कान खोल के सुन लो, लास्ट वार्निंग है। अगली बार मेरी माँ को गाली दे दी ना, फाड़ के फेंक दूंगा। मैं तुमको हिला दूंगा, नींद से जगा दूंगा, यूट्यूब से पूरा इतिहास मिटा दूंगा। गाली दी तुमने यमराज से मिला दूंगा, अकेला तुम्हारा रिमांड बैठा दूंगा। हर जगह मेरा नाम सुन के डरोगे तुम, दिल में ऐसा खौफ बैठा दूंगा। कर लो तैयारी और भागो यहाँ से, ले आया भूकंप, पूरा एरिया हिला दूंगा। पछताओगे लाला तुम किससे भिड़ गए, दिख रहे हो बहादुर पर अंदर से डर गए। जोर लगा लो चाहे एडी से चोटी का, मारने वाले खुद ही मर गए। रोश मार के स्टार जो बन गए, सामने आने से सारे वो डर गए। उन्हें लगा कि फंसा दिया मुझे, समझ नहीं पाए मुझे, मामा वो बन गए। यूट्यूबर को फाड़ भगाऊंगा, पब्लिक के सामने इनको झुकाऊंगा। धंधा बंद करा के इनका अब की बार इतिहास रचाऊंगा। रोकना चाहोगे हाथ नहीं आऊंगा, सच्चाई बोलने से बाज नहीं आऊंगा। एक एक करके सबको बचाऊंगा, तुम्हारी लंका मैं ही लगाऊंगा। करते फ्लोर में पब्लिक को बताऊंगा, बात से मारू ना हाथ लगाऊंगा। रफ्तार के फ्लो से तेज मैं गाऊंगा, बड़े बड़े रैपर को धूल चटाऊंगा। बात आ गई इज्जत ऊपर, इनका तो अब मैं भूत बनाऊंगा। मांगना लेते जब तक माफी, कुत्तों की तरह इन्हें दौड़ाऊंगा। हंस मेरी बाल ओ मेरे लाल, ग्रेक्स यूट्यूबर्स का तू सरदार। कैरी मिनाटी ले लाठी, जा डूब के मर जा, तुझे शर्म नहीं आती। ट्रिगर इंसान तेरे लड़की वाले काम, छपरी यूट्यूबर्स का करूं बुरा हाल। अब आगे ना बोलू एक सांस, अगले फ्लो में करूं डायरेक्ट वार। जहाँ भी जाओगे मुझको ही पाओगे, बक करोगे, पिट के जाओगे। अपनी दास्तां सबको सुनाओगे, कोई नहीं सुनेगा, रो के दिखाओगे। मुझको पता है औकात दिखाओगे, कभी ना सच्ची बात बताओगे। बहस करोगे मुझसे आके, पापा से अपनी जबान लड़ाओगे। खड़ी करूंगा खाट तुम्हारी, लोग हंसाई ना इज्जत तारी। इस नाम से सबको हुई बीमारी, भाई जोगिंदर सब पे भारी। लगता है तुम्हें पड़ते हैं दौरे, भाग यहाँ से ब्रेड पकोड़े जाके अपना इलाज करा लो, पागल खाने खुद को दिखा लो। जनता मेरे साथ खड़ी है, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, करेगी सपोर्ट जी जान से, चाहे तुम जितना भड़का लो। शुक्र गुजार हूँ उन सभी का जिन लोगों ने प्यार दिखाया, उम्मीद तुम्हारी नहीं तोड़ूंगा, कोरे कागज पे लिखवा लो। अरे मेरी माँ की गाली दोगे, उस माँ ने मेरे को जन्म दिया है, अगर मेरी माँ बहन को किसी ने गाली दे दी ना, हलक के अंदर हाथ देके जवान पाड़ दूंगा। तुम लोग पैसा कमाने के चक्कर में यूट्यूब पे गाली देते हो माँ बहन की, हमारे हिंदुस्तान के भाई कहाँ सो रहे हैं, इनको ठोक दो। और जो ये गाली गलौज चल रही है सोशल मीडिया पे, इसको बंद करवाओ, सारे एक साथ हो जाओ। टॉप वाइफ भूकंपला थारा भाई जोगिंदर, यो जोगिंदर थारा भाई जोगिंदर।
Tharabhai Joginder, man.
Okay.
Oh my god, what an entertaining song, man. Paisa Vasool, man.
Looks like he's really pissed off.
Looks like. We'll talk about it, guys. Watch till the end.
It's a diss track from Thara Bhai. To say it, I think it was very entertaining and I loved the music part. Okay, whatever he has written, that's the personal grudges or the conflict that he was having with the YouTubers and also some artists. I think so. I may be wrong as well, right? But that's what we have been hearing so far.
Paisa Vasool, man. Maza aa gaya yaar. It was so groovy, right? So you would like to watch this, right? As a pure play entertainment, it was fantastic. Now, as a diss track from a hip hop point of view, then I would say no, okay? Because everybody, I think there is a differentiation there. But he was talking facts, right? So whatever has happened to him in the last 4 to 5 months, we have seen a lot of roast video against him. People calling him cringe. He doesn't know anything. I think he might have felt that, and he came out with this track. Before this, I think the first one was Bawandar, and there he was very off track. Honestly, I think he was not able to sing well. The beats were off, but this track, my God, he was on point. I think his flow was good. He was matching with the beat.
And actually, I think that's a good way to reply to haters because he might have felt bad, right?
So I think that's a great plus point, man. His vocal was on point. And looks like he have listened to rap. He talked about Raftaar. There were a lot of references about Raftaar and all the flow. So which is good, man. Not bad. It is so entertaining, so nice. And the videography was like very gimmicky and quirky, right? So they were Carrie Minati with the mask and Triggered Insan, and he talked about, I think, Hertz Beniwal or somebody, right? So pardon me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what he talked about. And I know Fukra Insan also released a diss track against him, which I think is not required, but I think people are milking views, taking the name of Thara Bhai Joginder. So honestly, I think we enjoyed it, man. The reaction is basically to see what has happened, and it is lovely. We liked it, and the first reaction this year, right? So we started with Thara Bhai Joginder. So all the Thara Bhai Joginder fans, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy, right, Dimple?
Yeah, people, and if you have enjoyed watching our reactions or maybe not, do let us know down below in the comment section, and also please do not forget to subscribe to our channel as what he said. Okay, yeah, having said that, people, let's start the journey together with many reactions to come in future as well. So stay connected with us and watch our videos.
Absolutely, and don't spread hate. Whatever has happened between everybody, right? Him and the YouTubers, I think let that be solved and let everybody be happy. So that's it, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.